What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, there's something really ionic, really interesting, and actually really funny about the scenario of Floyd Shivambu and Dalimpofu. Dalimpofu is one of those people who actually claimed that he is the one who came up, with this idea of taking everybody to MK Party and even convinced the likes of Floyd Shivambu. But now there is something really funny in that Delimpofu is the chairperson of the National Disciplinary Committee at MK Party. And Floyd Shivambu is about to be expelled, from MK Party. And the person who is going to like expel, Floyd Shivambu in that disciplinary committee, it's actually Delimpofu. Somebody convinces you to say, let's move away from EFF and go to MK, but you now get to MK. That same guy is now the one who is now firing you. It's really ironic and really funny, but obviously we all know that Dalimpofu, there's nothing he can do. It's obviously out of his hands. It's Tutuzile Zuma who is actually playing the chess, and Dalimpofu is just forced like to put a signature. But even though it's just ionic and really, really funny, because in a scenario like this, that's when you start asking yourself the question like, okay, what was the whole point all about? We collapsed the EFF, we go to MK, then what? But anyway, what goes around comes around. It's Dalimpofu in the National Disciplinary Committee who is going to be disciplining Floyd Shivambu. Very, very funny. And this time around, we all know they are not going to be doing those interviews with SABC News from Africa, just as they did, when they left the EFF. It's like they were celebrities, going from one podcast to the other, talking about the EFF, how we did this and that. But now they are now firing each other. It's really, really funny. I'll catch you guys on that.